How I Learned to Scuba Dive by Joshua Mooney. While I was in Florida, I went scuba diving. I watched a video. In the video, I learned the hand signals. Here are some of the ones I learned. This means to stop. This means to go down. This means to go up. This means okay or that you are doing good. This means something is wrong. Putting on your gear. When you are putting on your mask, put the mask to your face without the strap on your head. Then you need to breathe through your nose to suck the mask in. If the mask sticks to your face, it fits you. Put soap on your mask in the eye section. Then wash it off in the ocean. This allows you to see more clearly. Now place your mask on your face. If you are under 8 years of age, you have to wear the air tank that keeps you on top of the water. Your age determines the size of fins you use. On the right of the air tank, there are two buttons. One button makes you inflate, the other button makes you sink. On the left side of the air tank, there is a pull cord that makes you inflate and makes you go up to the surface. You would use this pull cord if you were in trouble and need to rise to the surface quickly. Taking the test. Swimming with the gear. Then we started to scuba dive. We had to swim from the surface to a certain point and back to the surface. Now it was time to get a harder test. Playing. Then my instructor got out a bobbing toy. We would pass it to each other, and if I missed it, someone else would have to get it for me. That's because I can't swim to the bottom. Sometimes water would get stuck in my mask. I would have to go to the surface to get the water out of my mask. Sometimes when the bobbing game got harder, I had to swim backward just to get back in my place. Taking the test. I had to take a test to make sure that I could stand up with the air tank on my back. This is because the air tank is really heavy. The other part of this test was to make sure I could swim underwater with my gear on. It was very easy. The people in my group. In my group, there was an 8-year-old girl. There was a couple that was about 20. Last but not least, there was me. I was 6 years old.